Hi guys, it's Dami here from Clientele Boosters, and today I'm going to walk you through setting up your OnlineJobs.ph account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to a tab of online jobs like this. Pick one of these two, and it should say this, the job board for virtual workers in the Philippines. By the time you're watching this, the text on the website might have changed, but this is the correct website domain. Then you'll hit sign up. Then you'll be start hiring today. So for the sake of this example, I'm using one of our other company accounts. So let's just say the button. We'll just say, we'll just go to the button. Then we'll use our email address. Let me see if I can copy that right there. Then we'll just put in any password. That's fine. Just make sure you save it somewhere. This is just an example. We already have multiple online job accounts. I'm not a robot. Do the capture images. Okay, boom. Register. All right, and then what you do is you go to post a job. Okay, so I'm on the free account. So basically what's going to happen is with a free account, you will be able to see applications to your job. You can gauge very well if you find someone suitable. It's sort of like a free trial. You will not be able to see contact information in these job applications. So to use the platform properly, you will have to hit upgrade. And you want to go for the monthly pro option. You can do annually if you want, but pro is fine. And you want to be able to send out up to 3 jobs a month, especially if you're just starting your service-based business, or even if you're just starting anything related to content creation or NDIS, or you're a restaurant owner. If you're a small business, pro, where you can put out 3 jobs posts a month, it should be more than enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to one of our other accounts so you can see what this looks like. Okay, so now when you go to post a job, let's just say I was looking for an SEO specialist to work, any full-time, part-time, or a gig role. I'll just copy and paste one of the job roles we've put in the past, just so you can see what I usually will ask for. Okay, so I've copied and pasted this one, but hi there, I am the owner of a quickly growing marketing agency, and we are looking to onboard an expert SEO manager to grow with us and expand to our goal of 300 clients by the end of 2024. Please only apply if you have experience and show your work. Now, what you can do as well, and then I put here if you have experience with SEO campaigns in the healthcare and the S niche, that'll be even more advantageous, because that's one of the subdivisions that we're building out to target more on NDIS clients. So for you guys that are watching, you can also add more specificity.
Guys, I hope you've enjoyed that video. If you liked it and you got something from it, or even if you didn't, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. It really helps the algorithm favor this channel. And the more you support us, the more we can give you guys more extreme levels of value throughout 2025 and beyond. Looking forward to the next episode and being able to serve you guys. And as always, think mega. Take care.